Hello and welcome to my presentation today. I will help you to become familiar with the IP/BPM industry by showing you the three of the biggest competitors of the BPO industry around the world. First one is Accenture. Accenture is a multinational professional services company, a Fortune Global 500 company. It reported revenues of $43.2 billion in 2019 and had 505,000 employees, serving clients in more than 120 countries. In 2015, the company had about 150,000 employees in India, 48,000 in the US, and 50,000 in the Philippines. Accenture is based on Dublin, Ireland. If you didn't know what is Fortune Global 500, or Global 500 for short, it is an annual ranking of the top 500 corporations worldwide, and it was measured by revenue. As you can see here, Accenture is reported to have 43.2 billion revenue in 2019. And imagine how much they have grown now that we are in 2020. It also says that they have 505,000 employees and have clients in 120 countries, which is really impressive and just show how big of a company they are. Accenture is also known in the Philippines as shown. They have 50,000 employees in our country. Hmm, in 2015, and I imagine that it was much bigger now. As we can see in this picture, they now have 505,000 Accenture employees worldwide. They have 6,000 clients served throughout more than 120 countries. They also have 7,400 patents and patents pending worldwide, over 4,800 and over 2,500 respectively. They also have 200 cities with Accenture locations and operations across 51 countries, 185 partners in our ecosystem. Now I will show you their awards. They are ranked number 34 on Fortune's World Most Admired Companies, ranked number 3 on Refinitiv, formerly Thomson Reuters Diversity and Inclusion Index. They are ranked number 2 on Balance 20 Most Sustainable International Companies. Here you can see their opportunities and services. The first one is accounting and financial services. I think this is where they manage your money of your company for you. Sourcing and procurement. Um, these two are different. In sourcing, you hire businesses and supply services. In procurement, you buy those services. Number 3, digital marketing. This is marketing through the internet or online. Supply chain management. I think this is where you manage the flow of services that go through a company. Healthcare and insurance. I think this one is the most that is familiar with that we are familiar with. This is where they sell customers contracts so they will be financially protected. Like the ones when you get old, the one that you get. Human resource management. This is where they train agents for you. This is common in the contact center industry. These are their branches in the Philippines. They have one in Quezon City, Mandaluyong, Taguig, Makati, and Muntinlupa. The second one of the BPO companies is Trinitar. Trinitar BPO helped top Fortune and medium companies to expand their customer support and back office support teams. They are based in Miami, Florida. As we can see, Trinitar specializes of back office and customer supports. Trinitar is one of the best BPO services providers in the US, thanks to their high client retention and reputation rate in the industry. They provide services such as customer support, back office support, and automation and AI. They also have a unique place in the BPO industry thanks to their highest customer satisfaction rate. As we can see here, Trinitar is one of the best BPO service providers in the US because they are highly rated in there. They also specialize in artificial intelligence or AI for short. Here are their opportunities and services. The first one is customer support. I think this is where the employees interacts with the customers or the front end part of the service. Back office support. I think this is like the back end of the service where they don't face the customers. Example of this is accounting and IT services. Insurance claims management. This is where they create a software for an insurance companies to make their process smoother. Technical support. I think this is the one. They are the one who maintain the hardwares and software in the company and make sure that there are no errors. Research and data entry. I think this is connected to the database where they collect and research data. The third company is IBM, short for International Business Machines. IBM services help IT businesses to accelerate their journey to cloud and become cognitive enterprises. They also provide AI services. They are based in New York. IBM specializes in cloud where they create data storages that is secure and let customers rent it. As the IBM means International Business Machines, it is safe to say that they specialize in machines. Here you can see their awards or self-proclaimed awards. In here, it shows that they have 100,000 plus experts who is in charge of redesigning apps and cloud infrastructures. They also they are also specialized in supporting banks. I think banks are going to them because they specialize in cloud infrastructures and the banks can store their data in their cloud storages where it's safe and easy to access. They also have 1,900 cloud patents and 1,400 AI patents in a year, which is easy to say because they specialize in cloud and AI. It also says that they support the largest automotive companies. Here are their opportunities and services. First, supplier sourcing and product procurement, which is I think similar to sourcing and procurement. Third-party risk management, where they manage the risk of their relationship to third parties. Talent acquisition and development. where they acquire talents and develop it in their company. Real estate management, where they manage land and buildings for you and keeping it in a good condition. Uh, Predictive asset optimization. I'm not quite familiar with this one. I'm so sorry. Consulting and financial services. It's where they consult you on how to grow your money. Here I will show you their branches in the Philippines. They have one in Quezon City and Makati. Now I will say my conclusion. I- In the past years, I think of the BPO industry as only call center and contact center, but I didn't know that that was only the front end of the industry. And there was also a lot of other jobs you can get from them in the broader selection. Thank you.